Okay, this is a Vanagon slider door step here. Down, folds up. It's just bolted on onto that jack point bracket there. 1 foot down from the floor. It works good. Okay, I got this other device here. Simple device. It just plugs right into that jack point there like that. You know, and step on it. Step out. And it's the same, foot down. Anyway, it's pretty simple. It's 1-inch square tube and piece of pipe there, a 1-inch pipe. And it has, that's a chain link that's just cut off and welded on, and then it has this anti-rotation key welded onto it, so it, anyway, it engages in there like that and doesn't rotate. It's not so big. You can throw it underneath your back seat and you get it out pretty easy.